Agitongoria mihango ya kuhingurwo Thibitari munene wa Kerugoya kaunti ya Kirinyaga, mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni agathiriirie thirikari ya kaunti no ni makinya maria tacoketie hari kugacithia utungata wa ugima wa mwiri. Gavana wa iguru augite muoroto wake ni gutigirira muingi wa Kirinyaga ni wamukira utungata wa ugima wa mwiri ukinyaneire kuria matura-ini matiganite marikitie gwaka mathibitari 20 kuri na dawa na arigitani na riu uyu wa Kerugoya ugukorwo na HDU, ICU, Theatre na Cancer Center.
Kerugoya County and Referral Hospital Complex is a culmination of a purpose-filled, tireless journey that we commenced in 2019 with the aim of delivering the best healthcare services to our people. Your Excellency, I wish to thank the national government most profoundly for the support accorded to us through capacity of implementation of this project.
Hii kazi mmefanya sio kazi rahisi. It takes a woman and a leader with a vision to achieve what you have achieved. Pongezi. Pongezi wale viongozi wote wale walioonyeshwa hapa, walioshirikiana na yeye. County Assembly ya Kirinyaga, congratulations, you have a special place for making sure that you are working with your governor on this very important project.
Munini wake githanda wa cira augite giki ni kioneki kiambiriirie itena-ini ria mbere ria gavana wa iguru undu ria andu aingi mayukitie na njira huthu no riu wira wake ni waritie.
I not envisage such a project. Aliposema sikufikia itakuwa hivi. So every time I see this hospital, I keep congratulating her. Mpaka naambia, umenicongratulate so many times. Naambia yes, because I remember what we had and what we have. So thank you, our governor, for being a visionary leader.
Thibitari wakitwo na kigina gia thirikari ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga na one kuumana na ngwataniro njega gatagati ga thirikari na bunge ya kaunti ta uria speaker Muteti Murimi atariirie.
It's a great milestone of realization of quality, affordable and accessible healthcare. Na sisi kama County Assembly ya Kirinyaga, we are working in collaboration with the county executive to make sure that we deliver the mandate as what we promised when we are campaigning. Na tunasema it's only a fool who would want his government or their government to fail.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma Thibitari-ini wa Kerugoya kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, jitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.